to hide. Grabbed my only friend, a silver sphere, walked it out the door into the atmosphere. This thunder's got a truth, a raw design, more honest than the faces in the club tonight. No judgment in the rain, no fake applause, just primal energy defying all the laws. Spin me like a storm chandelier, every broken light still landing here. Lightning strikes, a dazzling wild display, dancing with the tempest, come what may. Syncopated beat, each flash of light a rhythm, oh so sweet. The sky's my dance floor now, the clouds my crowd, reflecting in your facets, singing out loud. This storm is a confession, a furious embrace, washing off the worries, leaving out a trace. No need for a DJ, no need for a sound, just the wall music all around. Spin me like a storm chandelier, every broken light still landing here. Lightning strikes, a dazzling wild display, dancing with the tempest, come what may. The cable snaps, a sudden sharp release. Now you're rolling free, finding your own peace across the wet black field. A scattered shining trail, a runaway sensation beyond the a dazzling wild display, dancing with the